Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are healthy and happy. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Tip. Today I am going to take ICT class for the students of class 9 on the topic chapter 5, page 69 to 79. I am repeating, today our topic is chapter 5, page 69 to 79 discussion. Students, this is lecture number 14 and homework number 10. I'm repeating, this is lecture number 14 and homework number 10. So students, please take your textbook. I'm going to discuss from page 69 to 79 from chapter 5. So let's begin. Our today's topic is chapter 5, named concept of multimedia. First you have to know multimedia and graphics. Multimedia is the combination of different expressive media. We express ourselves by using three media, which are color, image and sound. So there are three media. Through this we can express ourselves, and these are color, image and sound. We can call television, video, cinema multimedia, but video games, educative software and web page are called interactive multimedia. I'm repeating, students, we can call television, video, cinema, multimedia, all this, but we have to say video games, educative software and web page as interactive multimedia. The main mediums of multimedia. So there are such types of main mediums of multimedia. We can divide them: text, graphics, sound or audio. So if you read the text elaborately, you will be able to learn about text, graphics, sound or audio. And students, look in page number 70. You will get elaborately about text, graphics, video, animation, sound or audio. So graphics can be divided into two: video and animation. Video is a kind of graphics and also animation is a kind of graphics. And then you have to know use of multimedia in ICT. Why we use multimedia in ICT? What is the uses of multimedia in ICT? There is an increasing use of multimedia in ICT. If we write them in points, they will be as teaching aid, and teaching aid can be as multimedia software and digital publication. And next we can say about entertainment, and third advertisement, and fourth games. So look, as teaching aid, the use of multimedia is a teaching aid is widely used. The learner will understand the topic easily. If multimedia is used in the classroom, the teacher can easily make the lesson effective and interactive. So such as multimedia software and digital publication. So a teacher can use multimedia software and digital publication to make his or her students understand. And next, advertisement, or you can say entertainment. Entertainment multimedia is widely used in most of the games of entertainment. Cinemas and plays are being made livelier by special efforts of multimedia. Next we can say about advertisement. Because of the use of multimedia, advertisements have become attractive. Both real and fictional elements can be shown in advertisements with the help of multimedia. And next, games. Multimedia is extensively used in computer games or video games. Because of the use of multimedia, the games seem as real life. Next, you have to know about presentation software. So what is presentation software? Presentation software like PowerPoint, Picasa, Impress, etc. are mainly used to present information in an attractive and effective way in meetings, seminars, symposiums and workshops. PowerPoint is a page of popular software or application of Microsoft Office. It is called presentation software. So all these are called presentation software. So if I say to name some presentation software, you can take the names of PowerPoint, Picasa and Impress. Next, saving presentation. How you can be able to save presentation? First, you have to give save command from the file menu, and save as dialog box will come. Type the name of the file in the save as dialog box. Suppose that the name is my country. Click the button OK in the dialog box, and the presentation will be saved as my country. The file can be opened next time to complete the unfinished work. In such a way you can save your presentation. Next, adding new slide. So how could you add new slide? First, select the command of new slide on the ribbon of home menu or press Ctrl+M from the keyboard. A new slide will be added. Next, you have to click to add title and click to add text will be shown in the newly added slide. Both the writings will be deleted following the previous directives. The small version of the newly added slide will be shown on the left side of the window in thumbnail view. And number 3, type the title of the new slide in the textbook following the process described earlier. So students, while adding new slide, you have to follow this process. This is practical, students, so you have to practice in your computer or in your laptop. Right now I can show you, but I hope when you will read the text, you will be able to add new slide. Next, changing the background of slides. Students, this one is also a topic which you have to practice, and you can get this idea, you can read about this from your textbook, and it is page 75. I hope you will read this at home. And next, you have to learn about inserting transition into slide, applying transition separately in text, applying sound to transition. So all these are also related to practical performance. You can learn this from page 77 and page 78. Please students, I hope you all have digital device at your home. So you will read the text and will practice at home as much as possible, and you can take help from your parents or your elders. Next, add video to the slide. Keep open the introductory slide of the presentation of the country, of your country. Clicking movie drop down on the ribbon of insert menu, get movie from file command. Select the command and insert movie dialog box will come. A movie file will be selected from the video folder of the insert movie dialog box. Click OK button of the dialog box. A message box with a question, how do you want to movie to start in the slideshow, will appear. The messaging box will contain 2 buttons automatically, and when clicked, the first slide will be viewed if you press F5 keyboard. The thumbnail view of the video file will be shown on the screen. Automatically was selected at the time of adding the file. It will start playing with the display of the slide. So students, that's a short discussion of chapter 5, page 69 to 79. As I said, this is based on practical performance. You have to practice more and more at home. Now students, I am providing your homework for vacation. Your homework will be 15 MCQ. I am repeating, your homework for vacation will be 15 MCQ, and the submission date of your homework is 29 May 2029. I am repeating, after it you have to submit your homeworks on 29 May 2021. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.